Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Chad's DIY Garage, where today I'm going to review some earbuds. And that guy right there gets a little out of control. Okay, so let's not make this take any longer than it really needs to. These are Anker Soundcore Life Notes, total wireless earphones. From what I have heard, they've got a 7-hour playtime, and in the case, you can recharge them and get up to 40 hours of playtime. Okay, sounds pretty cool. Says crystal clear calls via 4 microphones. There's 2 of them on each earbud. And it says it's got noise reduction, which would be super nice for making phone calls, because that is a big deal with me. Superior sound via graphene drivers. I don't know what the hell that means. Usbc charging. That is super nice, because everybody's using USB-C now. And so that makes it really nice. And as far as I know, it comes with a charging cable, so that's pretty cool. And if you run out of juice, I think you can charge these. It says for 10 minutes and listen for an hour. So, and then it says 1-step pairing. So we'll see. We'll check it out. I haven't got these out of the box yet. I already cut the box so that we don't have to go through the whole raw cutting of the box to open it up. But we'll see what's inside here. I have not opened it up yet. So we got books. You know, one thing that I was really kind of bummed about with the $250, I mean, I know they were on sale, but $250, Apple couldn't even give me a damn sticker? What's up with that? So, no sticker in here, but I'm cool with that because these aren't $250. USB Type-C cable, that's sweet. Here we've got the earbuds themselves. This is a bigger case than the AirPod Pros, but I'm okay with that. And then we'll open them up, and there they are. They look very similar, obviously, to the AirPod Pros, so I will still hopefully be able to look like a douchebag. I'll just look like a douchebag on a budget. So there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and charge these up. It comes with a pair of ear tips on there already, and then 4 more sets, so a total of 5 for all of you who can't count. Nothing under there, so there you go. I'm gonna charge these up and get to it. I'm gonna try them out, see how easily they pair, because that's really what you're looking for, is how easy they pair, how good they sound, and if they're worth $50. And so I'm gonna get going. All right, well, here I'm back. I'm on douchebag patrol. Check me out. There they are. I'm gonna go ahead and click them on. I've got them hooked up to my iPad Pro, which has got Spotify on it. I'm gonna tell you right now, they don't sound too bad. They actually sound really good. I wish they were a little bit louder, okay? They don't have all the cool features, but for $50, I'm digging them. So I want to see if the microphone will pick up. I've got a little microphone up here. I want to see if it'll pick up anything coming out of, rejection out of my ear. I don't think so, because I feel like it's got a pretty good seal. I'm using the tips that came with it, so I haven't tried any other tips, but they feel good. They're nice and lightweight. I think they're actually a little bit lighter weight, they feel like it, than the iPad Pros. And the sound quality to me is probably a smidge better. The bass is definitely much, much better than on the iPad Pros. And I don't know, I think for $50, honestly, you can't go wrong. I think I'm gonna make a phone call, and I'm gonna see how those go. See what the other person on the other line says about it. But other than that, I think we're going to be good to go. But I will make that phone call, but I want to check and see if you guys can hear. I think we've got Man in the Box queued up by Alice in Chains. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm a man in the box. Won't you come and save me? Save me. Yeah, in my eyes. Jesus Christ. I'm digging them, man. I'm really thinking they're cool. Let me turn these off because I think I'm yelling. I like them. They sound great. $50. I'm gonna make my phone call. I'll be back with you to let you know what they think about it and give you my final thoughts. Well, the moment you've all been waiting for. The phone call went well. Everything checked out on the other end. My buddy Ed said that I sounded really good, spectacular even. No, he didn't say I sound spectacular, but said I sounded pretty good. And it was nice and crystal clear, which is what I'm after. And I don't know what it's going to do when I get back in my dump truck, if there's going to be too much on the way of background noise to where people aren't going to be able to understand me. But if it is, then I'll make that determination at that point. But I'm not on the phone a lot in my truck, but I do need them to be able to make a phone call. And my truck is pretty noisy, so I guess we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. If I do decide to get rid of these and take them back and get something different, there will be a follow-up video. Okay, so just so you know. Now, couple things here. It'd help if I had them on the right way. Each earbud has its own LED indicator to let you know that it is charging. Okay, when it is charging, when the case is charging with, like I said, the USB-C, so nice, USB-C, you've got your little LED indicator light on there to let you know that it's charging and to what capacity, and that is a variable via color change. So once they get to be a certain color, then you know that you've got a full charge on it. Okay, the other thing that people like to do is check the magnetism to see how easily they're going to pop out. I don't know why. I don't know when this is ever an issue, but people tend to do this, and they're not falling out, and they're still connected. I'm sure if you really want, you can make them fall out, and there you have it. So now they've fallen out, and I guess if you get really crazy with them, they're going to fall out. I would expect just about any of them to do the same thing, but for the most part, if you happen to be in a rollover accident and your case is open, you will probably be able to still find your earbuds in there. So the only other thing that I can think to let you know, they are IPX5 rated, so you're not going to be able to take a shower in them, not advisable, but if you get caught in the rain, you should be good to go. If you want to take these to the gym, which I think, really, when I shook my head around when I was jamming out, they felt very secure. I didn't have any problem with feeling like I needed to readjust them at all, so that was nice. And then the last thing that a lot of people are concerned about, as am I wanted to know about the latency issue. Okay, so there is no latency on these things. I got on Netflix and watched the trailer to The Highwaymen, and boom, they were dead on. Awesome, great. So there was, if you don't know what latency is, it's basically when the sound does not match up to the video. So sometimes with some of your less expensive earbuds, you know, it'll look like the old Japanese or whatever, where somebody's talking and the lips don't match up. You ever do those? Woof, woof. It's been a weird week. I need to get back to work. But there you go. So Latency is very good. Soundcore Life Note made by Anker, $50. Got them at Walmart. They got a whole bunch of them. I don't know about the store near you, but the store near me has like 7 or 8 more of them on the shelf. So if you live near me and you want to go get some, I would highly recommend it. But like I said, if these turn out to be complete garbage, I'll let you know. I will say, when I take them out of the case and put them in my ear, they connect really quick. So that's good. The only other thing that I can tell you is they do work independently of each other. So that's a truly wireless deal. So if you only want to have the left one in, you can have the left one in and you will get your sound and you will be able to make phone calls. If you want the right one in and only the right one in, same thing goes. One is not dominant over the other, so you do not have to have one in order to have the other. You can just use one at a time if that's what you want to do, which is what I do a lot of times in the truck. If I'm on a phone call in the truck, I only use the right one. Okay, I don't use the left because I don't want to block out all that extra sound. These are not noise canceling. They are it's like a passive noise cancellation because of the ear tips. They do go in your ear, and you know, they kind of cancel out some of the noise around you. That was one of the really cool things about the AirPods, but I can't really see using that feature a whole lot anyways, and I can't really see spending the extra money. I think Anker has some they're a little more expensive, maybe $80 or $100, that have some active noise cancellation in them, but it really isn't that big of a deal to me. And with the ear tips the way they are, and they are really comfortable. I gotta say, I think these are actually more comfortable than the AirPod Pros. If you're familiar with the AirPod Pros, the way that they're kind of an oval shape. These are round, so you've got a little bit more wiggle room. The AirPods have to go in a certain way, and that's it. These, you've got a little bit of wiggle room, and you can still look like a douchebag on a budget. So there you go. You guys have a great day. This has gone on long enough. I hope that you will subscribe to the channel. And if you do subscribe, please hit that bell notification, that bell icon, to let you be notified anytime that I put out a new spectacular video full of information that you can use to get through your day. And if you don't need to smash the like button. You can just tap it. Smashing it may be detrimental to your phone or your device. So just tap on it. Tap. It's very nice, and make sure it lights up and lets me know that I'm doing a good job. If you think this is a crappy video, hit the dislike button. I'm cool, but let me know what I'm doing right or I'm doing wrong, and that's it. You guys have a great day. It's crappy outside here. We're in the middle of an ice storm, so I'm gonna probably bust out another couple of videos today and hope that you guys subscribe and you can watch those too, because I know we're all bored. Have a good one.